Welcome. Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by your finances? Do you find yourself constantly stressing about money and wondering where it all goes each month? Well, fear not. In this article, we will delve into the world of 50-30-20 budgeting, a simple yet powerful method to take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Imagine a life where you can confidently manage your money without feeling restricted or deprived. It's time to simplify the way you handle your finances and pave the way for a brighter financial future. What is 50-30-20 budgeting? Imagine a world where budgeting is not a daunting task, but rather a strategic game plan that empowers you to take control of your financial future. Enter the 50-30-20 budgeting method, a simple yet powerful tool that can revolutionize the way you manage your money. By breaking down your income into 3 clear categories: needs, wants, and savings. This approach provides a structured way to ensure you're covering essential expenses, enjoying life's pleasures, and setting aside funds for the future. Too often, people feel overwhelmed by complex financial strategies or discouraged by strict budgeting rules. However, the beauty of 50-30-20 budgeting lies in its flexibility and practicality. It recognizes that financial success is not about deprivation, but rather about making informed choices that align with your goals and values. Whether you're saving up for a dream vacation or building an emergency fund, this method allows you to prioritize what matters most, while still ensuring responsible money management. How to implement 50-30-20 budgeting effectively. Implementing the 50-30-20 budgeting method is all about balance and discipline. Start by categorizing your expenses into needs, wants, and savings debt repayment. Be mindful of adjusting your spending habits to align with these percentages each month. This approach allows you to prioritize essential expenses while still leaving room for discretionary spending and saving for the future. To effectively implement the 50-30-20 budgeting strategy, consider using online tools or apps to track your income and expenses. Automating your savings and bill payments can also help ensure you stick to your budget effortlessly. Remember that flexibility is key. If you overspend in one category, make adjustments in other areas to maintain the overall balance of your budget. By consistently following this method, you'll gain a clearer understanding of where your money is going and take control of your financial well-being. Tips for sticking to a 50-30-20 budget. One common challenge many people face when trying to stick to a 50-30-20 budget is the temptation to overspend in one category at the expense of another. To combat this, consider setting up sub-accounts for each of the 3 budgeting categories within your main bank account. By physically separating your money, you'll have a visual reminder of how much you have allocated for each area, making it easier to stick to your plan. Another helpful tip is to review and adjust your budget regularly. Life can be unpredictable, and unexpected expenses can throw off even the most carefully crafted budget. By checking in on your spending habits monthly or quarterly, you can identify areas where you may need to make adjustments and ensure that you're staying on track towards your financial goals. Remember, flexibility is key when it comes to successful budgeting. Benefits of using the 50-30-20 budgeting method. Picture this. You're standing in a bustling cafe, trying to decide between the various delicious pastries on display. You spot that decadent chocolate croissant calling your name. But then you remember your budgeting goals. With the 50-30-20 method in place, suddenly that decision becomes clearer as it's all about balance. By allocating 50% of your income towards necessities like rent and groceries, indulging in that croissant won't derail your financial plan. But here's where the magic truly happens. With 30% earmarked for wants, you can treat yourself guilt-free, whether it's upgrading to a fancier coffee or splurging on a new book. This method empowers you to enjoy life while staying financially responsible. And let's not forget the game changer, putting away 20% for savings and debt repayment. That dream vacation or emergency fund suddenly feels within reach, giving you peace of mind and security for whatever life throws your way. Secure your financial future with budgeting ease. By implementing the 50-30-20 budgeting rule, you can secure your financial future with ease. Say goodbye to financial stress and hello to a brighter tomorrow. By embracing this balanced approach to budgeting, by prioritizing your expenses based on these clear percentages, you can take control of your finances and set yourself up for long-term success. Start today and watch as your financial well-being flourishes with every step towards a financially secure future.